So yeah, hi guys, I'm here and I'm back for another video, and this is quite a big box. It has 3 albums. So I got 3 albums. So I got New East Canvas, which I'll be doing later on, and I got 101's debut mini album. So 1 times 1. So I think there's like a random member cover-ish that's supposed to be here, but we'll see, I think, when you open it. So yeah, let's just open this thing. So I got both versions of the albums here from Broduce 101. So I got the sky version and the pink version. So this is the burn it off version, and this is the energetic version. I personally like energetic much better. It's because it's right up my alley, and the music video is actually, I think, better as well. It's because I think people are gonna hate me for this, but the burn it off version looks a bit cheap, the music video. So yeah, I'll be doing this one first, I guess. So yeah, here is what the cover looks like. It has like a window, so I don't know which member am I gonna get. And apparently there's like, I think, a lot of random stuff here. Then the track list. Then the CD only track is, I think, Nayana and Never, the 101 version. So yeah, so so the thing wasn't pink. Oh, this is a bit weird. Oh, what? Oh, I'm so sorry for this unboxing. So how are you going to like? I guess I'm just gonna like dump everything here. Ish. So there is like, here's what the CD looks like. So I think it's just the pink backing there, so nothing much there. Then there's the lyrics. I'm actually surprised they put Never here. I know, like, it's, I feel like LC. Oh my god. Yeah. You can actually see the sleeve that I got, and I'm actually really happy with it just because he's my bias in 101. So here is the photo book. Very small though. We have Kang Daniel. He was originally my bias though in Produce 101, but yeah, I don't know what happened. Then we have Jihoon, Dehui. I think this is by rank. Jaehwan is slowly climbing up, or I think rapidly climbing up my bias list. Then we have Ong Sungwoo, Woojin, my bias in 101. Gwanlin, Jisung, Minhyun. I'm conflicted if I want to collect Minhyun, just because if I would start collecting him now, I think I would have to collect all of New East, just because I love all of them. We have Baejin Young. We have Sungwoon Sunghoon. Sorry, yeah. It's because that's the thing. I'm kind of iffy about Korean names, because a lot of names kind of sound alike, or like Sungwoo, Sunghoon. Then there's Minhyun, Minhwan, and the other variations of the name. So yeah. But that's just like a random thing. This is cute though. I'm glad this isn't as hard to like unbox as IOI's Crystallis, because that was really hard to unbox. Oh, it's oh. I wonder if the photo books are the same though. Now that it's like this. Also, was visuals though. Then them all smiley and stuff. Then Sunghoon. Then Beijing Yang. Then Minhyun. Jisung. I'm glad he finally debuted though. Gwanlin. Woojin. Ang Sungwoo. Jaehwan. Daehui. Jihoon. And Daniel. Yeah. I'm really hoping that's not the photo book for the other version. So there's this thing as well. Oh! What is... Oh, there's the code. So I got a golden ticket. I don't know if this is... if this is included in all albums. So there's this small photo book here. It's like a coupon thing though. But there... Oh, it's... Is it like the moving... Oh, that is cool though. But it's kind of hard to like show in camera. Or is it supposed to be like this though? No, it's definitely the other way around. But it's hard. They should have done it like... So it would have been like this. Yeah. Then I got the sleeve thing. So I got Woojin, my bias. So I don't know. I still don't know if I would want to collect. Oh, there's like a double-sided tape. Every one that I want, it's because it's gonna be quite expensive. And we have 2 cards. What? So this one is a group shot. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got Woojin as well. Yay! That is. So about the cards, I got a group card. I think there's a random group card and a random member card. So I have Glen, although I'm not collecting him. Trading this for Woojin though. Or Minhyun. I don't know. So that's that for the pink version. Now for the sky version. So yeah, same thing, although different photo in the back. Kind of push it. Oh, just like dump out. It's not. I wouldn't. Oh, there. So this one just has like the 2 CD. Nothing really much. Then the lyric sheet I think is the same. Yeah, it's the same thing. I'm gonna check out this one first. Oh, it's a different concept. Something like that. Oh, there's a golden ticket in every album apparently. Oh, I saw the members that I got. They're not my bias. So I think this is just the same photo book. Yeah. Well, that kind of sucks. I'm gonna show you otherwise. Anyway. Yeah, it's the same photo book. Then we'll be flipping after like a few pages. Right here, yeah. It's the same photo book that we seen earlier. Yeah. Then the number that I got for the sleeve thing is Jisung. I'm not, although I do like Jisung, I'm just not collecting him. Then I got another golden ticket as well. Then this is the member card, Jisung. So here's what the back looks like. Then, although now that I got one of his cards, I don't know, I got a Gfriend card. He is my fourth bias in 101 though. Think about watching Produce 101 like live, or at least like every episode that got released I was watching like as soon as possible. I got to like be more attached to them compared to like season 1 wherein I watched it knowing who was ending up in IOI. And yeah, so in IOI I had like my two set biases, which are Nayoung and Kyung. Then eventually wanted to collect Chungha as well, then Sejong. So technically I'm collecting 4 members of IOI. So maybe I'll collect 4 members of 101 as well. But yeah, my top 4 would have to be, so number 1 is Woojin, number 2 is Minhyun, 3 is Ong, then 4 is Jaehwan. So I got a Jaehwan card. So I don't know if this is the universe telling me that I'm gonna be collecting Jaehwan as well or something. I don't really know, but yeah. So I guess you guys tell me if I should collect them or not. I think it's kind of like a wallet suicide, especially now. But yeah, they'll be releasing I think more stuff than IOI, so yeah, I don't really know. So I don't have any plans. So yeah, that's that for this unboxing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!